Welcome to EVS class, Chapter 9, Land, Part 1. Land. Magan Bhai, after taking his dinner, sat for watching TV. The baby Zil came running to him. She said, "Grandfather, tell me a story." "Which story do you want to listen?" Grandfather asked. "The one which I enjoy the most," Zil said. "Okay," said the grandfather and began the story. There was a small village. A potter named Magan Bhai stayed here. Every day he brings soil from the lake and prepares pots, bowls, etc. One day he prepared a small pot. He painted it colorful. The pot looked very beautiful now. He kept the pot in his shop for sale. The next day, Ramesh Bhai was passing nearby his shop. He saw the pot and immediately purchased it. His daughter Bindia became extremely happy after seeing this small pot in Ramesh Bhai's hand. She said, "Papa, I will fill water in this small pot." "Okay," said Ramesh Bhai. Now every day Bindia fills water using this small pot. One day the pot slipped from her hands. It fell down and broken into pieces. Heartbroken Bindia collected the pieces and kept them behind the house. The grandfather asked, "Now tell me, dear, what would have happened to those pieces?" "Some girls like me must have used them for playing games," replied Zil. "You are correct. These pieces are mixed again with the soil." Hearing this, confused Zil asked, "What other things get mixed in the soil?" Here is an activity. Activity 1. What do we need? Spade, sieve for sieving wheat, sieve for sieving wheat flour, thin cotton cloth, lumps of soil. What to do? Take one lump of soil. Turn it into small particle size. So take one lump of soil, turn it into small particle size. Sieve it through the wheat sieving sieve. You are observing in the picture. What is left in the sieve? To see what is left in the seed? Sift soil through wheat sieving sieve. Keep the component left in the sieve separately. Keep the component left in the sieve separately. You are observing here. Question. What is left in the sieve? Number 1, big particles, stone, pebbles, small pieces of wood. What is sieved out of sieve? Number 1, fine particle of soil. Number 2, small stone and pebbles. Okay. Now activity 2. Collect the sieved part and sieve it with the sieve used for sieving floor. Here we are using sieving floor, sieved part and sieve it with the sieve. This is a sieve used for sieving. This is sieving floor. So what is left in the sieve? Here you observe what is left in the sieve. Observe, keep the component left in the sieve separately. What is left in the sieve? Small stone, pebbles, etc. And what is sieved out of sieve? Fine particles of soil. Okay. Then activity 3. Collect the second time filtered soil and sieve it through the cotton piece. This is a cotton piece. You see that. And what is left on in the cloth? You see what is left on in the cloth. Also observe the filtered component. You are observing here the filtered component and note. Separate the component left in the cloth from those filtered from the cloth. So sieved soil through cotton piece. So now here question, what is left in the cloth? Again some more rough particles. What is filtered out of the cloth? Very small amount of fine particles of soil. Okay. Observation. Observe the filtered and leftover components for first, second and third time. Now some question are here. Think and say which components are obtained from sieving the soil with different sieve size? Answer: sand, silt, clay and rocks. Second question. Second, can there be any other components present in the soil? Second question. Organic and inorganic matters, water and air. Third question, how do the amounts of different components affect the type of soil? Amount of sand, clay and silt in soil affect the type of soil. Okay, clear? Activity 4. What do we need? Transparent plastic bag, transparent glass, spade, lump of soil, thread. What will you do? Bring 3-4 lumps of soil from the nearby farm from 1 feet depth by digging with spade. Keep 1-2 lumps of soil in the transparent plastic bag and tie its mouth with thread. Now keep this plastic bag in the sunlight for some time. After some time, bring it to the class and observe. Keep transparent plastic bag in sunlight within a lump of soil in it. This is the picture you are observing. Now What to observe? After some time, the inner wall of the plastic bag. What did you observe? Moisture or droplets of water. Okay? Here on another activity, activity 5. Take a transparent glass, fill it with water. Now add a lump of soil to the glass. Observe what happens in transparent glass. Lump of soil. So observe what happens. Where to observe? In the transparent vessel. On and near the soil lump. On and near the soil lump. What did you observe? Fine particles sprayed into water slowly. On and near soil lump. You are observing here black spot, that all are fine particles sprayed into water slowly. Slowly on and near soil lump. Okay. Now remember and write which different things are obtained after digging the soil. Soil gives shelter for many living organisms, and it also gives minerals like marble, graphite, calcium, etc. Okay, clear? Here one more question. Which organisms are found in the soil? Many living organisms like worms, moles, beetles, rats and roots and leaves of plants are found. Which different components of soil can be seen separately? Organic matters, inorganic minerals, water and air. Leaves, feathers, parts of living organisms are seen. These are living components. Remember, leaves, feathers, parts of living organisms are seen. These are living components. Sand, stones, clay, etc. are non-living components. Sand, stones, clay, etc. are non-living components. Components of soil. Black components, biotic components and abiotic components. So components of soil, there are two types, that is one that is biotic components and another that is abiotic components. So abiotic components, what are? They are plants, animals, bacteria, algae. And abiotic components, name them. What are they? Topography, climate, sunlight, temperature, wind, water, natural disturbance of ecosystem. So it is true, marble, coal, graphite, diamond, gypsum, calcium, petroleum, diesel, petrol, kerosene, gas, etc. are obtained from soil. Is any such thing obtained nearby you? Write it by your own. Metals like gold, silver, mercury, copper, iron are also obtained from soil. From where are they obtained? Do you know that? Write it. try it by your own. Then I will tell afterwards. Okay. So here I am ending chapter 9 land part 1. Whatever question answers are there, I have written in this slide from the starting. You write that all question answers in your notebook. Okay. See you in the next class.